Hi guys, today I have this Blue Heaven Minis but Mighty Hyperstay Weightless Liquid Lipstick. This is non-transfer, intense pigment, smudge proof, smooth application. It contains of 4 mini lipsticks. So I have this Diva Bright shade. Its MRP is 299 and expiry is for 224 months. This is shade 1. It is little pinkish tone. So these lipsticks are very thin like consistency, so it's very lightweight. It's a smooth lipstick. So guys, these last for 3 to 4 hours, then it starts fading away. Then this is shade 2. This is purple shade, dark purple shade. These are available in purple and Nika only for now. This is shade 3. This is maroonish type color, wine color. Then this is the last shade. This is shade 4. It is pinkish color. So these are very good lipsticks guys. I do recommend you if you are eyeing on this. So these are the collective swatches you can see. So yeah, this was the review. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Bye.